Hello everyone, this is Pixie here, and I'm playing Minecraft. I'm calling the series often, and yeah, so let's get started. So the series is basically me collecting dogs and getting them white collars so they look like wolves, and yeah, that's all I got so far. I don't know why I didn't grab the pickaxe. Oh, wolves! I chose this biome to spawn in because I thought it might be like better for find wolves, and it is. So, there's yeah. What would be a good den? Probably up here. So I will, I know this is a short beginning part, but I'm gonna come back when I find a good den. I've been walking around for a few minutes and I don't see a good den. Meaning I should have just gone for that cave. So, I hope anyone who watches will like the series. Oh look, a fox. But since I'm a wolf, does that mean I have to not like foxes? So, let's see. Oh, chickens. Oh yeah. A little bit after I stopped recording, I placed on their chest and I was like, oh my goodness. Let's see. Sheep. Attack the sheep. Oh yeah, that's enough, and I have to attack every sheep I see. And yes, that would mean I would also need to attack a pink sheep. Huh. Oh. Hey, this is a good spot to set up at. Oh, see those angry wolves already. Okay, I should probably get a torch, but there's only iron. Oh, there's some coal. I have a pickaxe, I can use that. Let's get a stone pickaxe because it's gonna take forever to mine the coal with just a regular wooden one. Oh. Okay, I guess I got an achievement or something, I'm not sure. Hold on, there's a bit of oh my hunger. Yeah, I'm only allowed to eat this as well. I mean, I maybe can cook it, but not quite sure. Wolves don't really know how to cook, but you know, I guess it can make some exit. Oh, I didn't even need to make a crafting table. Okay, I can hear some wolves. So I have to tame them so I can get them to be my team. Oh, the snow. I know I was gonna use this to make a pickaxe, but I feel like covering up a hole is a bit more, well, important. Now let's see the other way. There's well the other way. No, don't go down the water stream. The dog don't like water. The dog don't like the noise of zombies either. Maybe I should like make it so it's like a mob where that only like skeletons attack me, or like whatever creatures like naturally attack wolves. I'm gonna have to search that up and how to do that. Oh. I'm a big wolf. I'm a very fierce wolf. Very, very fierce. I mean, look at me. Honestly, I just got this Minecraft skin. Okay, now that we're back to regular cam, I will stop, for a second and get stuff. Oh, look, doggo. And, then I'll come back. I'm not even joking, I just saw a pink sheep. I'm not joking. A wolf was chasing a pink sheep. I have to eat the potatoes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I seriously just saw a pink sheep, and a wolf was chasing it. Okay, hold on. I'm not joking. I seriously saw a pink sheep. Okay, I have to... Oh my goodness, there's a spider. Ew. Oh, yep, this is part of the cave. I'm seriously not joking. I just saw a pink sheep. I wish I was recording. Oh my goodness. That... Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna start recording or something. My goodness, I just saw a pink sheep and I got destroyed. See, I told you! Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm not letting this out of my inventory. There was a skeleton over here. Soon from that way. Oh my goodness. Well, this is a very eventful first episode. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna keep in. but yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, hold on. I just found a zombie spawn down in the cave. Ah! Okay. Where's my bed? I know it's somewhere around here. Oh, we're so lucky that we found the pink sheep part right there. Oh my goodness, I'm only on one heart. Oh, apples. Very helpful. Oh. One of my friends came in here and grabbed, I'm pretty sure, their wallet, or the phone wallet. Also, I'm gonna search up on how to make those compass fins. That way we can always get back there easily. Sheep. Yeah, any sheep I see, I have to kill it. Okay, I'm gonna end it off here once we get back to the den. I have a few rules for the series, and yeah. So, I'm gonna search up how wolves work in Minecraft a bit more. Oh my goodness, did I lose it? I hope I didn't. So we're gonna see how wolves work in Minecraft, and then I will start the next episode and I will name all of the goals of the series in like big giant letters, most likely. Also, sorry if it cuts around a bit. I'm also gonna be editing it afterwards, so not sure. Also, hi future me. Hi past me. Oh. I should probably like. This isn't like the entrance, but it's good enough. Also, so probably I'll just keep the pink wool in here for now. Ooh, I'm a bit hungry. Just a bit. So, yeah, this is the end of the first episode of Wolf Den. If you want a part 2, I'm most likely gonna do one, but if you want a part 2, please let me know. And, yeah. Bye.